Welcome back to the Practical Tech Lab Playwright Masterclass. In the previous lesson, we automated a complete website as a part 1. Today we will continue our automation journey by working with login page validations, keyboard actions, browser navigations, and dialog boxes. Let's create a day 6 file, day 6 automation. So once it is created, we import the modules like test and expect from Playwright test, and then we create a test file. We take that copy and paste here and change the name day 6 complete website, and we take the URL and replace here, and verifying now URL and title of the website, right? Yeah, the title and the practical and website is that, and we are login page. I'm just clicking here student login. Here I'm checking the text here, right? Yeah, I'm writing script for this. Get by text student login. The text is visible text over there. I'm clicking here and verifying the login page now. So once it is opened and we are checking the text is student login, heading is appeared or not. That is using you to be visible. Expect, since we know that, we just go and take